Hello and welcome to the Molly's Candy Crumbs page. Today we're going to make German chocolate frosting. Look over these ingredients real quick and then we're going to get right into making it. In a saucepan over medium heat, you will add the evaporated milk, sugar, lightly beaten egg yolks, butter, and vanilla extract. Stirring continually until everything is dissolved and thickening. Once everything is melted, it will look like this. Continue stirring while it thickens. Once it comes to a simmer over that medium heat, continue stirring. It will start to thicken very quickly at this point. Once you're about halfway to that thick custard consistency, you're going to remove it from the heat and add your pecans and your coconut. Once everything is mixed together, add it back to the heat and let it continue simmering until it reaches a thick custard consistency. You will still want to stir here. Once you've reached that thick custard consistency, remove it from the heat and let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to ice that cake. If you've enjoyed this video or know someone who would enjoy this recipe, be sure to give us a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that little bell so you get notification every time we upload a video. Thank you.